Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a muddy showdown: crawler tractors versus tire tractors, specifically comparing small crawler paddy tractors with Kubota tire models, focusing on their performance in mud. We'll be looking at traction, sink depth, and turning radius, wrapping it all up with a look at seasonal cost effectiveness during the flood season. First up, let's talk about traction. Crawler tractors, also known as track tractors, are built for grip. Their wide tracks distribute weight over a larger area, giving them a significant advantage in muddy conditions. This design minimizes ground pressure, reducing the likelihood of sinking. Tire tractors, on the other hand, rely on the tread pattern and tire pressure for traction. While modern tire designs offer excellent grip, they can struggle when the mud gets deep and sticky. In such scenarios, crawlers often outshine their wheeled counterparts. Next, we'll examine sink depth. This is where the crawler tractor's design truly shines. Because the weight is distributed over a larger surface area, crawlers tend to sink less into the mud. This means they can navigate through deeper mud and continue to work where tire tractors might get bogged down. Tire tractors, however, can sink quite a bit, especially with heavy loads. The depth of the sink depends heavily on tire pressure and the mud's consistency. Now, let's move on to turning radius. This is an area where tire tractors often have an edge. They can turn more sharply and maneuver into other spaces. Crawlers move their tractors to a larger turning radius. This can be a disadvantage when working in confined areas. Finally, we'll address seasonal cost effectiveness, especially during the flood season. This is a crucial consideration for many farmers. Crawler tractors, despite their superior mud performance, often come with a higher initial investment. However, their durability and longevity can offset these costs over time. Tire tractors generally have a lower upfront cost, but their performance in deep mud may be limited. During the flood season, when muddy conditions are prevalent, the crawler's ability to keep working can save time and potentially prevent costly delays. Consider also the cost of maintenance. Crawlers have tracks that wear out and require replacement, which is a significant expense. Tire tractors have tires that need replacing, but the cost may be lower. Fuel efficiency is another factor. Crawlers, because of their heavier construction and friction, can be less fuel efficient than tire tractors, but in the end, the choice depends on your specific needs, the type of work you do, and the conditions you typically face. So, to sum it up, crawler tractors excel in traction and sink depth, making them ideal for extremely muddy conditions. Tire tractors offer better maneuverability and are often more cost-effective initially. During the flood season, the crawler's reliability in mud could be a significant advantage. The best choice ultimately depends on the specific circumstances, your budget, and the nature of your work. Thanks for watching.